Hello everyone, welcome to our demo video, and here we're going to showcase the whole user journey on our website and how to create your first auction. So first and foremost, you want to create an account. So you go to register down here, and then here we're going to put the company name. So here we're going to put bahomit.ab, VAT number, company's email. So this the website, company that you're registering, the country where the company is based in, the sector. So in this case, let's say manufacturing and production. We're gonna go next. So here we can register the contact person, the primary one, and as an optional is the secondary contact person. So as a first contact person, we're gonna choose name. So here. And then position that they cover up, and as a secondary contact person, if let's say for the first person something happens or they might change company or role, the secondary contact person is again someone that you can contact. So here we're gonna fill in this information very quickly. Okay, so once this is done, we're gonna register the company. So it is verifying the registration, and we are gonna choose a password. Has to be 8 characters. Then we're gonna create an account. And once we have created an account, we are logged into the user dashboard. So here you can see 3 things. So your active biddings, the subscription plan that you subscribe to, and the verification process. This is important because we as admins are gonna check manually every company that is registering to the website and verifying all the information. And once the verification or like the information has been verified, we are approving the company. So we're going to have a check mark of approval. So let's browse here a little bit and see what we can do. First and foremost, we have the auctions. So as you can see, there's no auctions yet. But we can start and go ahead and create our first auction. So in this case, this is the interface that you're gonna see when creating an auction. And here we can select, let's say, plastic. This is one of the things that we want to submit. Then let's choose a subcategory of the plastic. Here we can explain a little bit better with details what we're talking about. It's optional, of course, and how the material is packaged. So let's say we are packaging the material in big bags. And how often do you have this material? How often can you provide it to the customers? In this case, let's say quarterly, and then we click next. So once the ad is created successfully, we can go further on with the info that we want to put. So the coloring of the material. So let's say it's clear. Here we can add extra information. So let me quickly check. So we can add the material type, for instance. Here we can add the melting point, flow index, this sort of stuff. And then we can click continue if we're happy with all that. We can select the origin of the material. So let's say it's post-industrial. And we can continue. The contamination level of the material. In this case, let's select clean, but you can either select clean, slightly contaminated, or heavily contaminated. So let's go with clean. Additives, there's no additives. And where has this material been stored so far? So let's say it was climate controlled environment. Then we can click next. And here we have the processing method. So not every material is going to have this, but for plastic, let's say we're going to select extrusion and injection molding. So we're going to go next. Here the location, so where we are based. So let's say we are based in Helsingborg. And here is the delivery option. So we can include multiple ones. So let's say we offer pickup, local delivery, but also national shipping. So once we're happy with that, we are gonna go to the quantity and the pricing. So this is the very final step. And the quantity, let's say we have 100 tons. Quantity, this is minimum order quantity. So as a seller, you can choose whether you want to have, you want to sell at least something, or you're happy with whatever. So let's say we want to sell at least 10 tons of this 100. And then here is the auctioning pricing. So the amount of price that you want to start with. So per ton. So let's say every ton, the starting bidding price is 7,000 Swedish crowns. And here is the auction duration. So we can select different days. You can also select custom. So if you have a deadline in mind, you can select, let's say, July, middle of July. And there's also reserve price option, which is optional. So if you're happy with selling all the tons for 7,000, then you keep it blank. But let's say you want to have it at least at 7,500 per ton. And after that, you're happy with the price. Here's the summary. So here's the starting point, the duration of it, and the reserve price, and the packaging as well. Then we can click next. Here we have the title. So here we can put the title of the product, which is this for us, and a short description of the product and keywords. So let's say we want to add some keywords like plastic, post-industrial, and so on. And then here at the very end, we can choose a picture for our product. Let's say we have this, and then we can finally create the auction. Once the auction is created, we finally have the first one in my auctions, and here we can quickly view it. So we can see the auction here, the starting price, the volume, when it's being created, and how many bids do we have. Here we have the keywords. We can, again, edit the auction. So if we have new information, we can quickly go through all the steps that we've just been through and edit the file to our liking. Or we can also delete our auction. Here is the description that we put at the end, and all the specifications that is also visible to the buyers. So once we are finished with this, we can go to auctions in the user dashboard, and here we can see all the the materials that are currently listed on our website. So what we can do here as a user is we can place bids. So let's say we're interested in, again, plastics. So we're interested in this one specifically. So we can click on place bid, and here we can see the base price of the product and how much we can bid on it. So the minimum here is 105 as an incremental, and here we can select if we want to buy full volume of the kilograms that is offered here, or we want to have a partial buying. So let's say we want 100 kilograms of the product for 105 offer price. There's also an auto bidding function. So if you, let's say you have a budget that you can use to bid, you can put your your maximum budget per kilogram and then leave it be, and then come back when the auction is ended. There's also notes that you can add so that the seller is seeing, and then we can finally place bid. So once the bidding has been done, we can go check it in My Bids. Here we can see all the active bids that we are currently participating in. Here is our bid. We can also update our bid, and we see active bids and the winning ones, where we're winning, where we got outbid, where we won, so that it's finished, that we lost, or that has been cancelled. Then we have the subscription page, where we can check which subscription plan we are subscribed to. In this case, all the users that are currently on our website are going to automatically have the premium plan. Every future will be available. Then we have addresses, so we can update the address or put the address that we are based in. Profile, so personal information, company details, and password. So we can also change the password. Yes, so now we can go back to the homepage, and that's pretty much it. So this is the website. We've been through the registration process, the auctioning part, and the bidding. So this is our demo, and thank you very much for watching.